Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic of our today's video is how to get relief from acidity. Acidity is a medical condition that is caused due to excess production of acid. This acid is produced by the glands of the stomach. Acidity causes signs such as ulcer in the stomach, gastric inflammation, heartburn, and dyspepsia. It is usually caused due to several factors, such as irregular eating patterns, lack of physical activity, alcohol consumption, smoking, stress, and poor eating habits. People are more prone to developing acidity in places where people consume more non vegetarian, spicy, and oily foods. A lot of medications, such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can also make an individual more susceptible to developing gastric acidity. Indigestion and constipation are also common in people who have acidity. Now the question is, how does acidity occur? Acidity occurs when the gastric glands in the stomach produce too much acid and the kidneys cannot get rid of it. It usually comes with heartburn, reflux, and indigestion. Typically, acidity is caused by consuming extra spicy food, coffee, overeating, and having a low fiber diet. Some of the common symptoms of metabolic acidosis include rapid and shallow breathing, confusion, fatigue, headache, sleepiness, lack of appetite, increased heart rate, breath that smells fruity, which is a sign of diabetic acidosis. Causes of acidity. Acidity is caused due to excess production of acid in the stomach by the gastric glands. Factors that cause acidity include unhealthy eating habits, skipping meals or eating at irregular times, eating just before sleeping, overeating, consumption of spicy foods, high intake of table salt, diet low in dietary fiber, excessive consumption of certain foods, drinks such as tea, coffee, carbonated drinks, soft drinks, extremely spicy food, fat rich foods such as pizza, donuts, and fried food. Another cause of acidity include side effects of certain temporary medications as well as existing medications. It includes medications such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, medicines for high blood pressure, antibiotics, depression and anxiety medications. Stomach disorders. Stomach disorders such as gastroesophageal reflux disease, tumors, and peptic ulcers. Other acidity causes include consumption of non vegetarian food, excessive stress, lack of sleep, frequent smoking, lack of physical exercise, frequent consumption of alcohol. People who suffer from medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, and connective tissue disorder are more prone to acidity. It is also a common problem in people who are obese, pregnant women, or women who are nearing menopause. Acidity can be frustrating and can have debilitating effect on your social life. Simple home remedies not only provide quick relief in acidity problem but can also cure them completely. Drinking cold milk provides great relief in acidity. Milk is rich in calcium and prevents acid buildup in the stomach. Next one is coconut water. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes which in turn balance out the excessive acid production. Black cumin seeds. Directly choose some cumin seeds or boil 1 teaspoon of them in a glass of water and drink. Black cumin seeds prevent acidity and its symptoms like heartburns, nausea, bloating, constipation, etc. Another home remedy for acidity is fennel or sauve. Have 1 teaspoon of fennel powder with a glass of warm water for instant relief from acidity and heartburn. Fennel also improves digestion and prevents gas and bloating. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water on an empty stomach in the morning and at bedtime. It boosts digestion. Subsequently, this helps relieve acidity and its symptoms. Cardamom. Chew one cardamom every day to get rid of acidity, indigestion, and gastric problems. Watermelon juice. Drink a glass of watermelon juice daily for instant relief from acidity and heartburn. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is rich in lactic acid and soothes the stomach and normalizes acidity. Drink a glass of buttermilk with a pinch of black pepper and coriander for instant relief from acidity. Another home remedy for getting rid of acidity is ginger. Chew a piece of raw ginger or drinking ginger tea helps prevent acidity and its symptoms. It also improves digestion. Cloves. Put a piece of cloves in your mouth and swallow its juice. Clove helps to relieve acidity, gastric irritability, indigestion, and nausea. Banana. Banana neutralizes acidity and soothes the stomach. Consume milk and banana together to prevent acidity. Ajwain. Ajwain is an effective anti-acidic agent. It relieves acidity and improves digestion. Turmeric. Turmeric is a magic spice. It works wonders for our bodies. It also helps to relieve acidity and boost digestion. People who are at risk of developing respiratory acidosis include those undergoing surgery, with asthma, who smoke, as it can cause respiratory problems, who use opioids. Risk factors for metabolic and diet-induced acidosis include a diet high in salt and animal protein and low in fruits and vegetables, diabetes, and kidney problems. There are also some complications related with acidity. Metabolic acidosis can lead to serious complications including osteoporosis, which is a loss of bone that can increase the risk of fractures. Improper growth in children, as metabolic acidosis restricts the growth hormone. Increased kidney damage, which can worsen chronic kidney disease. Muscle loss or wasting. High blood sugar level. Problems with endocrine system, which can lead to insulin resistance and potential diabetes. Increased risk of death. Complications of other types of acidity also include osteoporosis. Osteoporosis can develop because if the kidneys and lungs are unable to get rid of excess acid, the body starts to take calcium from the bones. The body then uses this calcium to neutralize the acid. I think today's video would be beneficial for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And for further query and questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.